Hi there, and welcome to your JenesisLink system. The first thing that we are going to get started with is contacts. That's the most important thing um, to start with. So we're just going to go over some basics with contacts. Um, as you can see, I have a few in here. To add a new contact manually, you would just come to the plus sign and simply add that, and then you can add, let's see, test, and you can select a phone number. You can add multiple phone numbers. We have the contact type as lead or customer. You can update that. Time zone, and then you can put them on do not disturb on any of these combinations or all of them if you do not want to send them any kind of marketing emails. So let's click save. Oh, I must have something duplicated in here. Let's try that. There we go. So then it'll bring you into the contacts profile here. So we're going to go through this real quick. We will go over in another video importing a bulk list of contacts or prospects. But here we're just going to focus on the contact profile and what all this does. So over here on the left, we have the contact and all their information. You can collapse these if you do not want to have them spread out like that. But let's just undo that one. So we have the first name, last name, email. If you click on the little pencil for this or the phone number, you're able to add multiple emails, and then the same thing for the phone number. And date of birth, contact source, and then, like I said before, the contact type. General information, this would be their business name, also their address, website, and then additional information. There is nothing in here now, but you can always add custom fields, which we will go over in a later video. So that is the basics for this video. Um, The middle section here is for any kind of emails, communication that you've had with this client. And then over on the right, this will be stuff that we get into in other videos. Let's go back to our main contact screen here. So right now, these are the columns that we have, but you can change the columns that you see here. If you did not want to see last activity, you can take that off. If you wanted to see address, you can put that on. So depending on what you want to see on this screen, you can change the columns however you would like. And that is just the basics of the contacts. If you have any questions, please let us know.